Well, if you're going to practice English, then I've got a couple of steps that will help you. This is day one of your English speaking practice. Hi, I'm Sharon from Angel Speech. I'm here to help you speak fluently and communicate confidently. Well, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you will not lose out on any tips. Why practice is important? Well, as the saying goes, practice makes a man perfect. Now, that is what we are going to do. The first thing that you're going to do while practicing is listening. Every day, make it a habit for 10 minutes. You just listen to English, pure English. That will help you, give you an input of English while you're working, you're washing dishes, or you're playing, or you're watching your phone. You just have to listen for 10 minutes every day. And that's how English comes in to your ear. Well, the second one is 10 minutes of speaking. Take your phone, start recording yourself, start speaking, and then you listen how you have done. Just check what you have done, and it makes it really a different level of practice. The next one is 5 minutes every day. Learn 5 words and use those words in your day to day life. It could be like, a new word for good, a new word for excited. You just use them and you start seeing the difference. 5 new words, 5 minutes to go. Vocabulary is done for that day. The next one is you have to practice sentences. What kind of sentences? Anything. If someone says, "How was your day?" Don't say it was good. Oh, my day was fantastic. It was wonderful. I had an awesome day. Or you can say it was a tiring day. It was a boring day. But make a lot of use of words and make your sentence a bigger one. The more bigger you make your sentence, the better your speaking skills will happen. Another one I would add is you look at something and you start describing it. For example, you're looking at a leaf. Now you can see the color, you can see the stem, you can see the size. Whatever you see, you just say it in simple English. Small sentences. It could be very, very, tiny or little or whatever you're trying to say. But when you look at something, this is a leaf. This is a green leaf. This leaf is fresh. This leaf is so beautiful. So anything, you just start making up sentences, then you see how you start speaking. You don't need a partner. You don't need anyone to practice. You just need things around you. You look at them and then you start practicing and then you start saying. These are how anyone who wants to improve to speak in English, they can use these tips. These tips are something that, if practiced, will take you for a long go. All my students trust me. I've been training for so long. Every student of mine feels so comfortable when I ask them to describe something, what they're looking at. And trust me, the changes that they have, they start seeing changes from day one. So this is an activity that you can do it. I hope that you will start it today. If you're going to start today, then please comment started in the comment section and I will keep following up with you guys. How is your progress? What happens? If any difficulty, you can just comment it and I'm going to give you a reply. Thank you for watching Angel Speech. You have a great day. Chalo Bandila.